People, it's your girl Pearl, and as always, you know I am super duperliciously excited and happy because I come your way with something new, something unique, and of course something very educative today. And today I'm going to teach you how to use the paragraph element or the paragraph template in Speedwapp, and I'm also going to teach you how to design it, and I'm going to teach you how to do a whole lot of things when it comes to paragraphs in Speedwapp. So let's get started. Okay, so now what is a paragraph? A paragraph is actually a unit of writing in a larger body of work, and it mostly expresses itself in a particular topic or a theme. Now when it comes to Speedwapp, I'm going to show you how to use the paragraph template. Now you can locate the paragraph template right here on this plus button. So it's called a component button, or it's called component. Now when you click on it, you can locate the paragraph template and the text. So let's drag and drop the paragraph template and let's see how it works. So I drag my paragraph template and I drop it right here. Okay, so now when it comes to paragraphs, you can decide to delete whatever information that is in the paragraph and type in your own work. So let's say I want to type in Dennis will be visiting today. Okay, so that is the end of my paragraph. That is the only thing I would want to type in. Now you can also decide to copy and paste from a different source and also come and paste it in your paragraph. So copy from a different source and pasting it in your paragraph. So let me quickly show you how that is done as well. So let's go back to the paragraph template by clicking on the plus, then locating the paragraph template right here. Okay, so we can decide to delete whatever information that is here if it's not useful, then just copy. So copy is Control-C. So let me show you where I'm going to copy my paragraph template or my paragraph form. Okay, now this is where I would want to copy the paragraph form. So Control-C, which is the short form of copying a word, then I can paste it here, which is Control-V. All right, now you can actually see that whatever I copied has been pasted here, and I used Control-V. All right, now that is how to copy and paste an element or a word when it comes to paragraphs. Okay, now when it comes to paragraphs, there are different ways of presenting a paragraph. The first one is having multiple paragraphs in one big paragraph. Okay, so each and every different topic in just one whole paragraph. And the second one is actually separating your paragraphs and not having it in one big paragraph, or having multiple paragraphs in one paragraph. Now let me quickly do some practicals to give you a better understanding of whatever I'm trying to convey. So the first example we are going to try is having multiple paragraphs in one paragraph. So let's drag and drop a paragraph template. So I'm going to drag and drop a paragraph template and edit whatever information that is in here. Now we have three different paragraphs right here. So this is my first paragraph, this is my second paragraph, and this is my third paragraph. So the first paragraph is my sister is sick. The second paragraph is she has headache. The third paragraph is she has taken medication. So multiple paragraphs in one big paragraph. So let's assume this is a different topic. This is also a different topic, as well as this is a different topic, but it has been grouped in one big paragraph. That is one way you can present your paragraphs. There's a different way, or there's another way of presenting your paragraphs, which is separating each and every topic and grouping it in one paragraph. So I'm just going to type in the same information with a second example. So I drag and drop a paragraph, and this is my first paragraph. Okay, so the first paragraph says my sister is sick. We're going to type in the same information. Okay, so there is no difference between whatever information that is here and whatever information that is here. They are the same information, but this is one way of presenting paragraphs by grouping multiple paragraphs in one paragraph. And this is also another way of presenting it, depending on what you're working on. All right. So with this paragraph, if you just want to increase the spacing between them, all you have to do is to just click on it, place your cursor wherever you want to place it, and you can just increase the margin, or you can just increase the spaces in between them, depending on how you want to align your work, or depending on the line spacing you want to have in each and every paragraph. All right, with this session, you can see that it has been beautifully underlined for you, or the line spacing is different because when you add a new paragraph, the spacing between the first one and the second one is going to be the same. All right, so with this one, you don't have to you don't have to align it yourself, or you don't have to do the line spacing yourself because it has been done for you. Now this is grouping paragraphs, or having multiple paragraphs in one paragraph, and this right here is separating your paragraph, so having each paragraph in just one single paragraph, and this is how it's done. Now the next thing we are going to do is how to apply style or design to an entire paragraph. So let's quickly drag and drop a paragraph template and apply some style and design to it. So paragraph template, you drag and drop, and let's change whatever information that is here. So let's type in Pearl is a good speaker. Then the second thing will be she is also she is also very outspoken. Okay, then the last word will be she has lots of opinions. Okay, so this is the paragraph. Right now, let's quickly add some style and design to the entire paragraph. So what you have to do first is to select the paragraph. All right, then if you want to change the style, you can also change the font style. If you want to search for something, you can just search for whatever font style you're searching for, or you can just choose any of them that pleases your eye. Okay, now if you also want to apply some changes to the font size as well, let's exit out of this. Now if you want to apply changes to the font size as well, you can quickly do it from here. All right, by changing the font size. If you want to bolden it, if you want to italize it, you can quickly do it right from here without doing it manually, or without doing it one by one. You just select the whole paragraphs, and whatever changes you want to apply will take effect immediately. Okay, so if I want to change my background, if I want to, whatever information I want to edit, so as you can see, this is black. It affects each and every text that is written in here. If I also want to align to center, I want to align to the right, I want to justify, and I want to move back to the left, you can see that that's it for me so easily. Now you can also apply advanced colors or advanced design and style to your entire paragraph by locating the style button, which is right here. So first of all, you select the entire text template and you go to style, and you just scroll through to see whatever changes you want to make. So let's say you want to change the background color. Okay, you want to maybe change the background color to blue. All right, you can just decide to play with any of these just to change the background color to whatever you want it to be. Okay, now let's just leave it this way. And now if you also want to increase the margin at the top, you can do so, and you can see the margin at the top has been increased. Now if you when you come to padding and you also want to increase the padding to your left, you can also increase the padding to your left as well. So that is how to apply advanced changes to your paragraph, your entire paragraph. Okay, and you'll be good to go. Now this gives you other options to do more advanced things to your text, or whatever changes you want to make to your paragraph. All right, now one interesting thing about Speedwapp is that it also allows you to duplicate your entire paragraph, and it also allows you to apply a particular design or style to a different paragraph as well. So let's try that and see. Okay, so let's say I want to duplicate this entire paragraph. Okay, or I want to double this entire word, style, everything that is here. I want to double it. All I have to do is to right click Okay, now when I right click, this pop-up box will open for me. Now you can see duplicate. So when I click on duplicate, it duplicates my work for me, or it duplicates the text template for me, it duplicates my paragraph for me without me having to type it all over again. Now you can also apply the same color, the same design, or the same format of this paragraph into a different paragraph. So let's say I want the background of this particular paragraph to be the same as let's go to a group element, to be the same as this one right here. So all I'll have to do is to right click on this paragraph and say copy. So let's copy right here. Now when you go up, I come to this paragraph and I also right click on this paragraph. So when I right click, it gives me some information here. You can see edit source, delete, duplicate, cut, copy, paste style, and reset style. So we have to click on the paste style, because when you click on copy, it will just duplicate your work for you. So let's click paste style and let's see what happens to our paragraph. Exactly. So you can see that whatever style that is here has been affected into this, or has been affected onto this particular paragraph. Now the text size is the same, the background color is the same, and also the bold, italic, everything is the same. Okay, now that is how to duplicate style, or that's how to transfer a particular style or design from one paragraph to another paragraph. Now, if you want to reset your style, or if you want to go back to how you started, or you want to set your style to default, all you have to do is to right click on it and go to reset style. So immediately I click on reset style, you can see that the entire paragraph is going back to normal, or it's going back to how it was from the beginning. And that is so simple to use, guys. It's very, very simple to use and very, very quick to put things together. Now that brings us to the end of today's tutorial on how to use the different paragraph templates when it comes to paragraph. I know it was very educative, and I know you've been able to find your way around. Okay, people, now that brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you stayed with me for just this brief period of time, I am super grateful. Even though it was short, I know it was very, very educative, and you've learned something new. Now, if you've still not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? I will always come your way with something very unique and educative and all the things you want to know. So please do subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next session.